We're doing a video for Daddy. What do you want to say to him?
I like Daddy.
You like Daddy? That's good. Did you tell him about the present you got from him? Tell him what you thought about it.
Yeah.
What did you think? What'd you get?
I got lip gloss, and I got his scooter.
A scooter?
And I got my own CD radio.
You got your own radio with CD radio? Oh, Tyler, are you buckled in?
Hey, Grandma. Grandma? Listen, can we go in?
Yeah.
We're going in. We're going in. I don't know how to turn this radio off. Turn it down.
There we go. Struggle.
Here it comes.
Caroline's in and Tyler's.
It's 3 boys and 3 girls.
Are you in? Yep, there you go.
Grandma.
Okay, what else did you get, Caroline? Did you what CD did you get from Daddy?
Girls and 3 boys. Romeo and Juliet.
You got Taylor Swift, Romeo and Juliet. And now you can play it on your CD player from Grandma and Bob. Do you want to tell him that you love him and tell him hi?
Yeah, hi.
And what else? Say thank you for your presents.
Thank you for your present.
And say I love you.
I love you.
And there's Grayson. He's a stud.
With his papa. Good boy, with his papa.
Are you happy right now, Grayson?
Yeah, there's his mouth face.
Where are we going right now? Where are we going?
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.